Hi everyone, welcome to New Concept English Video Classroom, and I'm Oblajan, and today we will learn lesson 14. Okay. Arkadaşlar biz oldingi darsimizda shu bir necha muhim nuqtalarni o'rgangan, endi bugungi darsimizda shu muhim nuqtalarni takrorlaydigan gap. Xo'sh, hamsa birinchi bo'lib meni ikki so'z bor ekan, bir o'rganib o'taylik. Birinchisi nima desanglar? Case. Okay? Case. Sağolishga qaranglar, birinchi sin deb o'qiymiz, deb o'qiymiz. Nima? Bu nima? Case. Yaxshi. Case. Case deganimiz nima desanglar? Chamadon. Chamadon yoki qop yeshik degan gap. Aslida case'ga ofisdagi narsa case, endi ostilikisi nima desanglar? Kichik bir case turadi. Bu nima desanglar? Pencil case. Pencil deganimiz qarindosh. Pencil case degan endi qalam qarindoshdan olingan qop quchog'i. Shuni pencil case deymiz. Pencil case. Case chamadon. Okay. Next one is carpet. Okay, carpet. Carpet. Okay, and the carpet deganimiz nima? Gilam. Gilam. Gilam deymiz, carpet deymiz. Carpet. Good. Next one is dog. All right, dog. A dog is very a dog shnama. A dog degan ish degan gap bo'ldi. Endi bu ishning rangi nima degan deymiz? Balla, what color is the dog? O ishning rangi nima desanglar? Masalan, it's brown. Shnama. Xo'sh, hamsa bu ders mashq darsida bas kirdik. Endi sizlarniki shu kitobniki rasmlik mashqni qanday qilsizlar desanglar, shu ishtirki, masalan, what color is deganni nima qilib o'zinglar mashq qilinglar. Mashq qilsanglar. Uniki naqd shu written exercisesda biz shularni qanday qilmaydi desanglar, mashq qilgan gap. Masalan, this is Stella. This is Stella. This is her handbag. Bu bo'lsa Stella, bu bo'lsa uningki nimasi? Qo'l so'mkasi. Qo'l so'mkasi. Endi buni qanday qilib o'zgartiramiz desanglar, this is Stella's handbag. Endi bichara savollashlar. Endi this is Stella, bu bo'lsa Stella, bu bo'lsa uning qo'l so'mkasi degandan ko'ra bu bo'lsa Stellaning qo'l so'mkasi desaklar bo'ldi, shunami? Okay. Masalan, bu bo'lsa muallim, bu uning qalami deganda bu muallimning qalami desaklar bo'lgan gap, shunami? Shunga o'xshash. Endi shu ifslik cho'q pashdan birini qo'yib, uniki asqatib etsak, buni bo'ldi ning egilik kelishini qo'shimchasi bo'ldi. Demak, bu ishda Stella's handbag, bu Stellaning nimasi? Qo'l so'mkasi. Andaqda birlikda ishlab bag'aylar savollash. Masalan, this is Paul, bu bo'lsa Paul, this is his car. This is his car. Bu bo'lsa uning mashinasi. Paul degan o'g'il bola, shunga his kelishunami? Demakchi bu bo'lsa Paulning mashinasi ekanmiz-ku. Nima desanglar? This is Paul's car. Bu bo'lsa Paulning nimasi? Mashinasi. Xo'sh, asl uchinchisi. Okay. Uchinchisi qarab baqsaq nima desanglar? This is Sophie. This is her coat. Bu bo'lsa Sophie, bu bo'lsa uning paltosi. Endi bu nima desanglar? Bu Sophie'ningki paltosi. This is Sophie's coat. Xo'sh, hamskingizchi. Masalan, this is Helen, this is her dog. Bu bo'lsa Helen, bu bo'lsa uning ishti. Okay, demakchi bu this is Helen's dog. Bu bo'lsa Helenning nimasi? Ishti. This is Helen's dog. Okay. Keyingisi desam, this is my father and this is his suit. Bu bo'lsa mening dadam, bu uningki kostyumi. Kostyumi. Mushunning nimasi arkadaşlar? Yani this is my father's suit. Bu bo'lsa mening dadamning nimasi? Kostyumi. This is my father's suit. Okay, masalan, this is my daughter, this is her dress. Bu bo'lsa mening qizim, uningki nimasi? Ko'yniki. Demakchi bu mening qizimning nimasi? Ko'yniki degan gap qanda. Yani this is my daughter's dress. Endi men B'ga qaranglar, bu B'ningki men birinchisi ulgu misol bo'ladi. Shu ulgu misolga asosan biz shuni ishlab chiqarilgan gap. Masalan, Steven umbrella black. Shunami? Steven umbrella black. Endi boshdan endi so'raydi ekanmiz, what color is Steven's umbrella? What color nimerang is bo'lsa Steven's. Endi men Stevenning umbrella degan kunligi. Demakchi Stevenning kunligining rangi nima? Desa, uning kunligi, uning o'g'li bo'lsa Steven degan. His umbrella is black. Uning kunligi bo'lsa qora rangda. Xo'sh, ishlab baqili. Birinchisi Steven car blue. Endi bu nima Stevenning mashinasining rangi nima? Stevenning mashinasi bo'lsa Steven's car. Nima rang? What color is? Demak, what color is Steven's car? His car is black. Okay, sorry, ma xato yozilib qolibdi. His car is blue bo'lish kerak mataga. His car is blue. Uning mashinasi qanday rangda? Ko'k rangda. Okay, his car is blue. Shunami? Okay, endi keyingisi masalan, Tim shirt white. Okay, Tim shirt white. Demakchi Tim's shirt. Timniki nimasi ko'yniki. Endi uning rangi Timning ko'ynikining rangi nima desam, what color is Tim's shirt? Shunami? His shirt is white. Okay, uningki ko'yniki bo'lsa, nima oq rangda. His shirt is white. Demak, his shirt is white. Uningki ko'yniki oq rangda.
Okay, next one is Sophie coat gray. Demak, Sophie's coat is gray. And the Sophie-niki paltosining rangi nima desam, what color is Sophie's coat? Her coat's black. Okay, actually he's gray, right? And uningki paltosi kulrang. Okay, what about Mrs. White's carpet red? And what color is Mrs. White's carpet? Her carpet's red. Okay, her carpet is uningki, mushu white xonimniki gilimining rangi qanday? Uningki gilimi qizarang. Okay, what about Stephen hat gray and black? And just put on gray and black is beautiful. Masalan, what color is Stephen's hat? His hat's gray and white. Mushu Stephen'niki shlapsining rangi nima desa? Uning shlapsining rangi kulrang ham qora. Okay. And then masalan, Helen dog. Okay, and what color is Helen's dog? Okay, this her dog is brown and white, and the Helen'niki ishtaning rangi nima desa? Uning ishtaning rangi kulrang, ya brown again, nimaram jigarrang, qahvarang, and white, oq rang. Okay, and now Sophie's skirt yellow. And Sophie'ning ko'ynikining rangi nima? Yoki yubkasining rangi nima? What color is Sophie's skirt? And the Sophie'ning yubkasining rangi nima? Her skirt is yellow. Okay, uningki yubkasining rangi nima desam? Yellow, sariq rang. Xo'sh, and the beginning nima desam? Tongue twister. Okay, and tongue twisters nima? To'qayishmashdan. The beginning to'qayishmash qarab I scream, you scream. We all scream for ice cream. I scream and to'limaq, vaqirmaq degan gap. I scream, you scream. Men vaqirayman, sen vaqiraysan. We all, biz hammamiz, we all hammamiz scream for it. Kuchin vaqiraymiz. Yoki kuchin to'laymiz ice cream. Marojna uchun. Demak, sen to'laysan, men to'layman, biz hammamiz shu marojna uchun to'laymiz. I scream, you scream. We all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream deganimiz marojna. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. And number 4, again, it is the fur that starts with that. We all bizamiz. Okay. Xo'sh, hamsa bugungi darsimiz mushak bo'lsin. Sog' bo'lsin. Agar tushunmagan savolingiz bo'lsa, bizniki menda savol g'oya bizni va yoki bizniki mushakniki ovoz qaytarish iqtidori ullik inkas qaytarishdi. Sizlar shunga inkas qaytarib qo'ysangiz, biz vaqtida qanday sizlarga qanoatlantirib javob beramiz. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.